Hey guys, today's Tuesday, and today your lesson is about seasons. So you're going to go online to Google Classroom, you're going to look at the lesson plan for today, and you're going to notice that there are two videos. One video is like 40 seconds, and it's just one place over the course of a year that you can see how one place changes through all the seasons in a very short span, like 40 seconds. The second video is kind of quirky, but it's a science court video, and it has a lot of really good information. So you want to make sure that you look at that. Then your next assignment is that you have 10 questions that you need to answer. Go back, if you don't know an answer, go back and look back in the science court to help you. If you did not do well on your quiz yesterday, you can retake that quiz, okay? There's a place on Google Classroom that says retake the quiz. There's a Khan Academy that you can go through to give you extra information if you need it to help you, and then you retake the quiz. Guys, if you're not understanding something, please make sure that you reach out to me, okay? You can do that through Remind. If you don't have my Remind information, it's all online and on our website, through our email, or through Google Classroom, and I'll do my best to get back to you. If you've not heard back from me, please reach out again, because I'm getting a lot of information, a lot of requests, which is great, but sometimes I lose track. So just reach back out again, okay? And I'll do my best to get back in touch with you and to help you get where you need to be, all right? Now, today's lesson is on seasons. I've got a little model set up that I want you to look at to help you understand it, or hopefully help you understand it. So, over here on the table, we have a model, and this is, let me turn them on, of the sun, and then there's the earth, okay? And what I want you to see is two things. One, the sun is huge, the earth is smaller. Two, that the earth is tilted. It's tilted on its axis. So you can't see the axis, and you couldn't see the axis if you were to look at the earth in space, because it's an imaginary line, and axis is one of your vocabulary words. But if you look over here, you can see that as the earth, as it will move around the sun, because of its tilt, not all of the earth is going to receive the same amount of sunlight at all times. We've already talked about this already this year. As you can see that the equator, which is right there, is going to receive the most direct sunlight, and it doesn't have seasons because it's going to receive direct sunlight 365 days out of the year. If we were to look at this as we are now, we would notice that the southern hemisphere, this part here, is receiving more of the direct sunlight. So we would say that the southern hemisphere is in summer and the northern hemisphere is actually in winter in this phase. So as the earth, we use a pencil here and you can see this, as the earth moves around the sun, you'll notice that it's tilted and it's not going to receive the same amount of sunlight. The earth does not bobble back and forth as it goes around. It sits like this and moves. It revolves around the sun, and as it does that, different parts is going to receive different amounts of sunlight, okay? If it's tilted towards the sun, that hemisphere that's towards the sun, that's going to receive the more direct sunlight. That's going to be summer. The one that's tilted away is going to have winter. So northern and southern hemispheres do not have the same seasons at the same time. So if one is in summer, the other is going to be in winter, okay? The reason why we have seasons is because of the tilt of the earth and because different amounts of sunlight hits the earth at different times. So we have indirect and direct sunlight. The direct sunlight means that it's in summer. Indirect means that it's in winter, okay? I hope that helps you with this. If not, just reach out to me and let me know. Have a great day.